Hi you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I have been getting question after question after question on my Instagram about what supplements are safe to take while breastfeeding or while you're pregnant. So I'm totally going to cover that here today. So first rule of taking supplements while being pregnant is that anything that you take, your baby is taking also. So that is why it is so important that you be aware of certain foods that you eat and especially certain medicines that you take. Always run it by your doctor first because some things are not safe during pregnancy at all. They can cause birth defects or they can just cause problems with the baby's growth and development. So if you're ever in doubt, always ask your doctor before taking anything during pregnancy or breastfeeding. But this is my personal recommendation. I have been pregnant twice and I have breastfed 2 babies. So that's why I'm sharing my information here. I personally love and use the NLA for Her supplements, and so that's the products that I'm going to be talking about here, but it will transfer over to different brands if that's something that you're interested in using, but these are the ones that I personally love and use. So first things first, when you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it is okay most of the time to take a whey protein. So whey protein is something that I use just to make sure I was getting enough protein in while pregnant and while breastfeeding. Usually very safe. There's no stimulants in protein. The only thing that I had to be careful about when I was breastfeeding is whether or not my baby's tummy was tolerating the whey protein. With my first baby, when I was breastfeeding her, I suddenly started adding in a whey protein. It wasn't this brand because I hadn't started using this brand yet, and she got green diarrhea. So if you're breastfeeding and you try a new supplement, your baby is having increased fussiness, increased gas, like severe changes in their poop, definitely that's a sign that they're not tolerating what you're taking. So just be aware of that. With my second baby, I took this. He had no problems. I took this during the pregnancy and during breastfeeding, and he never had any issues with his digestion of this. So there's the first thing. Whey protein, super great. But with another side note, try to make sure that you're getting the majority of your protein from real food and just have this be a supplement. That's really what this is supposed to be. It's just to help supplement, but the majority of your protein should come from real food. Next product that I use while pregnant and breastfeeding is the Her Multi. So this is a multivitamin chewable from NLA for Her. It tastes like a little Starburst, and it has tons of vitamins in it, just completely chock full of vitamins. So that's something that I used. Aminos. So Her aminos are something that I used a little bit during pregnancy and a little bit during breastfeeding. Again, I would try to get the majority of my amino acids from the food that I was eating, making sure I was eating plenty of real protein through meat and dairy and eggs. And this was something that I would just kind of use occasionally when I was really having a lot of muscle soreness. As you know, when you're pregnant and breastfeeding, your muscle recovery is a lot slower, because your blood and all your nutrients are going towards this baby, to helping the baby to grow, and so your muscle recovery is kind of on the back burner. Your body's like not making that a priority when you're pregnant and breastfeeding. So this can be nice to help to supplement to make sure you're getting enough amino acids to have your muscles recover. The next product that I used is the Hair, Skin, and Nails. I did not use this product during pregnancy. Hair, Skin, and Nails is an amazing product. It helps your hair grow faster, your nails grow stronger and faster, and also has anti-aging benefits. So because of some of the anti-aging vitamins that are in here, I had read some studies that recommended not using it during pregnancy, so I did not use it during pregnancy. But while I was breastfeeding, I added this in when the baby was about 6 months old, and I noticed that his nails grew really fast as well as mine. So yeah, I think that, use your best judgment, talk to your doctor, but if you feel like you want to add this back in while you're nursing, go ahead and try that. Next supplement is the Her Omegas. I used this during pregnancy and nursing. Omegas are so critical for your baby's brain development, and so also has huge health benefits for mom. So brain benefits like just kind of overall like mental clarity as well as anti-depression. So omegas are extremely important for mom's brain health. Also very important for cardiovascular health and joint health. So I took this twice a day through pregnancy and nursing. Last product is her probiotics. So probiotics are a really great product I use during nursing and pregnancy. My midwife during pregnancy really recommended me taking probiotics because when you're pregnant, your hormones and your pH level can get imbalanced, and they can help prevent yeast infections, can help you stay healthier, keeping your immune system stronger, as well as having digestion benefits. So there's lots of benefits of having a probiotic in your body every day. So I took this every day during pregnancy and nursing. So now that I've covered all the things that I did use, I'm going to cover why I didn't use the other products. So when you're nursing or pregnant, no fat burners, no pre-workout, nothing with stimulants. Whatever you're taking in, your baby's getting too. If you're taking a pre-workout that's getting you really stimulated, giving you lots of energy, it's doing the exact same thing for your baby, whether you're nursing or pregnant. Babies should not have a lot of caffeine when you're pregnant. There has been studies shown that, like 1 cup of coffee per day is safe, but above and beyond that is really not safe for baby. They're growing and developing, so way better to play it safe. While breastfeeding, it's very important that you're not taking a lot of stimulants that will cause problems with your baby's sleep cycles. The more stimulants that you're taking, the more that your baby's getting. Everything goes through your milk too. So no fat burners, because that will cause baby to not only be stimulated, but will cause your baby to have higher temperatures and have your baby burn fat as well. And we do not want babies burning fat. So while pregnant and breastfeeding, no fat burners and no pre-workout. If you followed me through the my last pregnancy and also postpartum, at the very end of my nursing of my baby, I did start adding in a pre-workout. What I did was I would take a half of a scoop of a pre-workout right after breastfeeding my baby. And then I wouldn't feed him again for maybe 5 or 6 hours. Then I would breastfeed him again. So I think it's as long as you are having plenty of hours for the caffeine to be metabolized in your body, it could be okay to use it. Again, play it really safe, use a really small amount, and wait as many hours as possible before breastfeeding your baby again. Good luck to all you mamas out there. Hopefully you're feeling great and you're able to stick with your fitness plan while pregnant and nursing, because a happy mom is a much better mom. So stay healthy, stay happy, and good luck to you guys. Bye.